Imagine a school where walls don't just stand. They speak, guide, and inspire. BALA is a simple yet powerful idea, turning school walls into everyday teachers. Curriculum-aligned, age-inclusive, cost-effective. Change needs champions. Through CSR, STEM learning partners with visionary companies to bring BALA to schools that need it most. BALA has touched classrooms across the country, from hills to coasts, metros to remote villages. For students, it's discovery painted in color. For teachers, it's a blackboard that never fades. For schools, it's a transformation that lasts. These walls make learning exciting. This is CSR with real, visible impact. From forgotten corners to centers of imagination. BALA isn't just a paint job. It's a mind shift. Let's paint a better future. Together. Support BALA with STEM learning and turn every wall into a window of opportunity.